The Next Generation Graduates Program is a really exciting initiative that was funded by the Australian Government, looking to recruit the next generation of technology graduates in Australia. We offer a range of opportunities for students from a really diverse lot of backgrounds to come and take part in our program.
The most important thing is we want the passionate students who are really keen to learn, because this program is involved both technical and non-technical, and is also interdisciplinary. So the students have to be very keen to learn and passionate about doing this research. That's the most important thing. Yeah.
You can come with a computer science background, a physics background, an engineering background, a mathematics background, chemistry and simulations, anywhere where these applications might be, even finance and optimization, these kinds of things.
We have programs from AI in mental health, AI in social disadvantage, quantum technologies, IoT, blockchain, cybersecurity, AI for agriculture. We really believe that diversity drives innovation, and innovation won't happen without diversity of thought.
We have 16 projects in the Thrive program, and they span the gamut right from very qualitative research right through to quantitative research. And where the student chooses to sit on that spectrum is going to be largely dependent on the student's appetite. We just ask that the students are keen, that they're open-minded, and that we will provide the training both in the qualitative and the quantitative in order to make them successful in the program.
Every Next Gen program will have an industry partner as part of it, which will really allow our students the opportunity to work on problems that are real-world problems and have the opportunity for real impact and contribution to Australia and globally as well.
So one of the exciting things about doing research with industry is the range of multidisciplinary engineers, researchers, advisors you'll come across. And it allows you to further scope out which direction your research path will go. Sometimes that stays in academia, other times that will move into industry and give a clear direction of where you'll have impact through the skill set that you've been developing and the career that you would like to forge.
The Data 61 Next Gen team is acting as a convener for students to come in, learn the foundational skills that they might need and they may not have learnt in some of their undergraduate programs, to be able to take that into their projects going forward. We'll do foundational skills in programming, some data analytics skills, but also really importantly, we're going to build entrepreneurial and ethical frameworks for the students to take to the projects going forward.
For the longest while, we have not had issues with producing technically excellent students. That is a given world over, that's happening across universities. But what may not be happening as much is to produce responsibly technical students. So it's not something that we're going to consider as an afterthought. It's going to be something that we're going to design into the system.
Digital technologies are progressing at such a rapid pace today, and it's impossible for us to even envisage what things will be like in this space in 5-10 years' time. So as students in this Next Generation program, you will have the opportunity to really shape the digital technologies and how they impact and influence.
The Next Gen program really just wants students from all walks of life to come and join our program. We have very generous scholarships. We also have generous allowances, and we really want to make sure that everyone gets the opportunity to take part. If you're interested, if something catches your eye, get in contact with our team and we'll help you find a way to take part in this program.